Hey guys, check this out. You may remember this truck from a couple days ago. We wrapped the fender. Well, now the customer wants the hood to match. Unfortunately, this hood is flat black. Vinyl's not going to stick to it. So we're going to remove the hood, put a coat of gloss silver on it, wrap it, and put it back on the truck. All right, let's get started. All right, we got the hood removed from the truck. Take off the trim. So we got the chrome piece off. There was two 10mm bolts, one on each side, bunch of clips. And then these vents are fake, and they literally just pop off with 6 clips. So got all that removed. We're going to clean it all up and start cutting in the edges. So we got the hood all cleaned up. We put one coat of this Krylon Fusion metallic paint. That way, if any of the paint does show, it looks like it's supposed to be there. We got one coat on real nice. We want to get it in all the edges, all the cracks, wherever we want the wrap to stick the most. That's what we're going to want to be gloss. Gloss is the only thing that the wrap is going to want to stick to. This paint was destroyed. So this is what we have to do. I wouldn't go painting every one of your customers hoods. They may be mad. So make sure that they know exactly what's going on before you attempt something like this. So we're going to let this dry, and then we'll come back with a second coat. All right, so we got our coats of paint on the hood. Some of you might say, hey, it's silver, you're all done. But no, we're going to wrap this thing, do it right, get it back perfect for the customer. So next is to lay the vinyl on the hood. So let's get started. All right, so we got our vinyl trimmed up. We bought 3 yards to do this job, just by using all of it. We're going to peel the paper off of the whole thing on this job, flip it over, and then start wrapping. Let's get started. All right, we got the backing off our vinyl. We got it flipped over, stretched out. Make sure we have enough overlap in all the corners. We're going to start wrapping from the middle out. So we get that big concave in the middle of this hood. Using our felt covered squeegee. We're just going to go ahead and get started.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so we have our hood installed, our chrome lip reinstalled. We're going to clean up the plastic vents that are on the floor, and we're going to get them ready to stick back on the hood. We'll then do our post-heat treatment and give it back to the customer. We have a little bit of help here because we do have infrared heat lamps in the ceiling, and we got that pointing straight down on the hood, so that's going to give us a little bit of post-heat. But we will post-heat it again, run over it with the squeegee, make sure all the edges are stuck. All right, we got all the pieces cleaned up, reattached. We did our post-heat, brought it outside, check it out against a nice bright blue sky. Everything looks amazing. Get ready to give it back to the customer. Looks pretty good. All right, that was another good day's work. We got it all completed. Don't you forget, from wires to wraps, we've got you covered. 21st Century Sound.